Light strip installation of external reflective light slot. Which one works best? Let me jump to the conclusion. The suspended ceiling is suitable for laying flat with the light shining upward. Washer lights and curtain boxes suitable for top-down lighting. The first is the suspended ceiling. Why do I recommend having the light laid flat and shining upward? Well, there are 4 reasons for this. First, laying the light flat and shining it upward. The light will reach the top first and then spread through the entire space through slow reflection. This lighting method produces the softest light. What if it is installed on the side wall? No matter where the light is installed on the side wall, there will be a visible light-dark boundary on the wall. Second, having the light laid flat and shining upward can effectively hide the light source. See the light but not the light fixture. If the light shines downward from the top, the light source will definitely be visible somewhere. Third, having the light laid flat and shining upward. This lighting method will cover the side walls more evenly. There will be no issue of the near area being bright and the far area being dark. If the light strip is installed on the side wall, the light shines directly on the side wall. The directly illuminated area will be brighter. The brightness gradually decreases on the upper and lower sides. If the light shines downward from the top, then the attenuation problem will be more obvious. Moreover, the wall needs to be extremely flat. Once the wall is not smoothly plastered, that will be a complete disaster. Fourth, direct light. For example, downward light can easily create shadows under objects, such as under furniture and decorations, easily forming obvious shadow areas. Upward, shining light has a softer angle. It can weaken shadows, make the space more open and airy. Secondly, washer lights and curtain boxes. Why do I recommend downward lighting? Because downward, directed light can shine farther. It can effectively highlight the decoration of the wall and make the curtains brighter rather than a suspended ceiling. In pursuit of global diffuse reflection, so make the wall as bright as possible. If the light slot is not installed with a flip edge, the light strip is installed near the sidewall so the light can go far, and it is not easy to expose the light source if the light slot has a flip edge. The light strip is mounted on the top directly above the flip edge. Certainly, it doesn't mean that other installation methods must not work. The specific housing layout still needs to be analyzed in detail.